The second one is the extended size. So it's just a little bit longer. You'll wrap it around more times if you're going to use it as a pony. But this one I really like to use more of a headband style, just because it's a little bit longer, and so it allows you to do a headband. So if I was working out, I would probably style it like this, just to kind of keep my hair back. And what's nice is that it's not going to leave an indent because it's so soft. And then of course I would do like a normal pony if I was working out. Another way, like an average wear, I would do, I would pull some hair out. So I would pull around the front, out, and have it as a headband. And then have it kind of more styled as a headband like that. So the extended is great for that. The classic works just the same, but it just gives you a little more looseness. There's nothing worse than a tight headband at the end of the day and not feeling nicely. So super cute.